your girl Alexus Crown here, and I am back with another video for you guys. So today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Smart for Life protein bars. I have been on this health journey consistently for about I think it's the 7 weeks now, and obviously I'm not as toned as I would like to be, but I'm definitely further along than where I used to be. So I'm gonna just show you some before and after pictures, show you some of my meal preps, and just I like do video diaries throughout this journey. So I'll show you some of my video diaries that I've gone through. This video is sponsored by Smart for Life. I partner with them to bring you guys this fitness update so you guys can join me on the journey. So let's get started. So first, I'll be briefly talking about my meal preps. I keep it simple and try to just eat lean meats and veggies. And I do work out at least 4 times a week. I use the Nike training app, but the primary focus of this video is Smart for Life. So I use them as like a snack when after or before I eat my meal preps, like if I'm trying to hold something on my stomach in between the time. So the first thing in the morning, I usually get up and I fix myself a cup of tea or coffee right now, and I just try to drink at least 2 to 3 containers of this water with about 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in the water. That's why I was shaking it. And with my meal preps, I have been eating the Smart for Life protein bars. So most of the bars aren't any more than about 180 calories. It's low sugar, high in fiber, high in protein, and they're basically just like little treats that you can have for yourself. Today I'm going to be trying the caramel and almond one. But so yeah, so basically I do intermittent fasting. That's helped significantly with me just losing weight. I don't know my weight right now. I will tell you my starting weight. The heaviest I've ever weighed was 172. I'm 5'8". My starting weight was 168.7 or 68.9, something like that. And I know for a fact that I significantly weigh a lot less now. My clothes fit different. Y'all can see from the before and after pictures that my waist has gotten smaller. My stretch marks on my side are literally disappearing. I don't have a problem telling my weight because I like to be realistic. It's a little melted, but this is what it looks like. It almost looks like a Rice Krispie treat with chocolate coating and almonds under the chocolate coating. So let's take our first bite and I'll keep talking to y'all. So again, super good. I started this journey because I just wasn't happy the way I was looking and feeling. So basically these are protein bars. You can have yourself a healthy snack, something that doesn't feel like you're depriving yourself. Like I said, super low in calories, low in sugar, high in fiber, high in protein. Each one has its stats on it. So the caramel almond bar, it's 19 grams of protein, 6 grams of sugar, 4 grams of fiber, and only 180 calories. And it's like it's like a good size for a snack. So definitely partnering just to like bring you guys along my journey. And I definitely will be documenting me trying the other flavors. I've tried some of them, but like I said, I eat them as a snack, like after my workouts or as I'm going. So I guess I'll start like pulling the camera out and giving you my review as I eat them. But so far, the lemon one was delicious. I love lemon anything, and I love chocolate anything, chocolate and caramel. So these two thus far are great. Like I said, I have a s'mores one, a peanut butter and chocolate one, a strawberry and cream one, and a cinnamon and pecan one. Ooh, that cinnamon and pecan one is probably gonna be super good come fall and stuff. It'll put you in the fall mindset. But if you want me to go more in detail about my health journey, the workouts that I do, the apps that I use and stuff like that, because I use 2 apps to track my food and to give me different workouts each day, just let me know and I'll make a separate video going into detail further about my journey. So just let me know what you guys want to see. Sorry, my bar's melting. Good.
As you guys can see, I'm really enjoying myself. So if you want to order your bars, your protein bars from Smart for Life, you can use my code ALEXUS10 for 10% off your order.
So I definitely have all of these left to review. Like I said, I've reviewed 2 thus far, and they've been incorporated great into my diet and my meal plan that I have for myself. So if you want me continue to document this journey and take you guys along the process, this is something that I can do. Like this video, and that'll like translate that to me that you guys like this content. But give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you're on some type of health journey or fitness journey and how far along you are, and we can all like do it together. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. You don't gotta leave my channel, but you gotta get off of this video. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.